Let me tell you something most people don't realize. Your credit score lies. I've seen people with a 760 get denied, and people with a 680 walk away approved for tens, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars. And today, I'm going to explain exactly what happens and what the banks are really approving you on. If you're new here, I'm Marcus. I don't teach credit hacks. I teach approval based credit strategy. The same way the banks, lenders, and underwriters actually look at your file. Because once you understand their rules, approvals stop feeling random. Here's the lie everyone believes. Once your credit score is high enough, approvals just happen. That's not how this works. Your score is just a summary number. It doesn't tell a bank how stable you are, how predictable you are, or how risky you look right now. Banks don't lend based on scores, they lend based on patterns. Think of your score like a GPA. Looks good on paper, but it doesn't show you attendance, consistency, or behavior. When a bank pulls your credit, here's what they're really grading you on: credit age structure, not just how old your credit is, but how it's spaced. A file full of new accounts screams risk. Utilization behavior, not just the percentage, but the movement. Maxing out, paying down, maxing out again. That's volatility. Account mix and quality. Too many starter cards, too many store cards. That changes how your life is weighted. Reporting consistency. Late updates, missing months, random balances. Banks hate uncertainty. Inquiry velocity. It's not how many inquiries you have total, it's how fast you're applying. This is why two people with the same score get completely different outcomes. Most people are playing the credit game backwards. They chase score boosts, random credit cards, viral YouTube tips, instead of building a bankable profile. So approvals feel random, limits stay low, and funding hits a ceiling. Not because banks are unfair, but because no one ever taught you the rules. Once you stop asking, how do I raise my score? And start asking, how do I look to a lender? Everything changes. Higher limits, cleaner approvals, better rates, better timing. This is exactly what I break down step by step inside my private community. No fluff, no recycled tips. I show you how banks really approve, how to structure your profile, and how to move strategically instead of guessing. I put a free training in the description. Start there, then I'll show you how to go deeper inside the community. If this video changed how you think about credit, hit subscribe. I don't post fluff here, I post what actually works. I'll see you in the next one.